Hi guys, we are on Lara and I wanna show you the boat, so come have a look. We're gonna go to the cockpit, right? So here we can have a barbecue here. We can have a party here. So we can just sit here and dance here, whatever we want to do. So go inside. So this is the wheelhouse. There you go. What do you call it, darling? It's
steering wheel.
Steering wheel. I mean the cockpit. Is it a wheelhouse or a cockpit? And we are going down to the inside of the boat. So you have to go down. Okay. First, so it's not ready because we've been away for a week last time and we haven't really tidy up. So this is the back room.
Forward. It's the front of the boat.
Is it the front of the
Yes.
boat? Oh, sorry. This is the front of the boat. So this is two people can sleep here. And this is the kids' room. So Sam and Toby sleep here. But so we need to make the beds and get all the cupboards and everything. And this is our bedroom. Well, yeah, it's a double bed. Pretty good. And this is the bathroom, the shower room, and this is the toilet and stuff. And let's go to the kitchen area. Oh well, hang on. This is the engine room. Yeah. And we got the freezer. That's the freezer, and this is the fridge. And we got another mini fridge here. We got all the cupboards with all our foods in here. Food. Well, it's not much. And we need to do some shopping. Got lots of chips and everything, and cookies. And this is the kitchen. So this is the sink. It's pretty good size, I think. This is the oven. We got the oven. We need to buy a new oven. And this is the table.
The gaming table.
Yeah. So it's pretty good because like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people can sit here. Yeah, and this is another bed if you want to if you want to sleep or something during daytime or at night time as well. And that's a day bed. So there's like at least 3 people can sleep there, and there's another one on that side. So yeah, it's plenty of room, so lots of people can sleep here. So that's Lara. Thank you.